Let's see this bottle here. Wait, show me the bottle.
Oh my god.
All right. Grinder's Death Nectar. I'm gonna give it a try.
How long ago did you try it?
The victims.
What was it? 5 minutes ago?
At least.
Okay.
Let's see how much you got there.
And then I went to the bathroom. Oh my god. It's not fun. Give me 10 seconds. You're counting way too fast. I'm just gonna do squats.
Oh, let me see that again.
Hold it. Don't drink that milk yet.
Whoa!
I know, right? Hey, lick your lips. It makes it better.
No!
I did that. Spread it through your lips, man.
Wow!
Don't drink the milk.
Adrian's sitting there like pretty much eating plastic.
Woo!
I think we're
There you go,
me, you,
Adrian.
and Smee were the three smart ones here.
Use with caution.
Well, we were just screaming. I need to take the lead. He can't do it because he's got to drive.
I gotta drive.
He's got to
You gotta-
drive.
come on,
Otherwise
come
he'd
on.
do it.
Hey, when we get back to the school though, maybe. But he's still got to go home.
I gotta drive.
So do I.
It only keeps the heat back for a little bit because it comes back right after you.
I'm telling you, that's why you need
Mine's not gone. It's on the top of my mouth.
bread or a cookie or a muffin or
I mean, I can
something.
still feel it, but it's
It
nowhere
feels
near
like
as bad
somebody's
as it
taking their
was.
nails and just scraping the top of my mouth.
Woo!
So much right now.
Whoever made this needs to be put in jail. Walked away.
Guys,
Ew.
stop making me laugh. I'm gonna throw up.
They need a bath in this. This is how bad it is.
Sign a waiver. Oh, they did.
Oh, we did sign a waiver.
I don't think I want to record that.
I made it without puking. I did it. All right.
Oh, man.